Alright guys, what's this? So let me take a selfie. We're here at the entrance of the castle. Let's check this out. A selfie in Albania. Okay. With coin of 100. It's here. I have to go really low here. Let's see how the picture looks. Yay! This is how the picture turned out, guys. We have these tourists behind me. Now let's have a quick look inside the castle here. We have a lot of bars here, I see. Quite fancy. I think it's a place where the people come in the weekend, spend some money on food together with friends. And I guess there are a lot of tourists here as well. We also have a lot of souvenir shops selling some popcorn. What's this, guys? Cowboy candy shop. We have a cowboy here. We have a cactus. Hello. Why is it called cowboy?
What about the design?
Are there many shops like this?
Yes, it has many shops.
In Albania or?
In Albania, Kosovo.
You can mix everything?
Everything has the same price.
Let's take some candies, guys. One of these. Ooh, let's take some of these. Some Coca-Cola here. Alright guys, we have here the Cowboy Candy Shop candies. Real Albanian candies. Let's see what we got here. Let's start with this one. We have what looks like a little tennis ball. I've never seen a candy like that. Let's try it. Oh! Ooh! Wow, it's so hard. Looks like this. It's like white with sugar inside. It's very chewy. Almost like a chewing gum inside. I'm very confused now, guys. I'm not sure if this is a chewing gum or not in my mouth. Seems to be like a chewing gum, but it also feels like it's melting. So I'm confused if I can swallow it or not. Let's have a look what more we have here. It looks like a little watermelon. Let's try it. Guys, it's exactly the same as the previous one. Third try, guys. Maybe I'll have a look now what I take. No, this one. I like it. The long one. Of course, I know this one. Like sweet and sour at the same time. I love it. These are quite addictive. If I buy a full package, I will eat them all at once. Just can't stop eating them. Let's try one more. The little berry here. Nice and sweet. Alright guys, let's put away the bag and keep it for later.